How to build a business case for the Expedience software investment. Not every business benefits the same from proposal automation software. For example, if you have a less complex business offering, or if you create very few proposals that are inexpensively completed, or if each transaction value is low or contains little repetitive information, then investing in proposal automation may not be right for your business. However, if your business is regularly challenged to stand out in a buying cycle that involves complex proposals or RFP responses, proposal automation software could pay huge returns. For many businesses, the process from receiving a new RFP to producing a final proposal resembles a back and forth maze dependent on proposal champions and tribal knowledge. So it's easy to see how proposal software will help streamline your process and save you time. But the business case for this investment goes far beyond just this time savings. To calculate the complete impact of proposal software on your bottom line, you should consider win rate increases as your proposal quality improves, your increased ability to scale and respond to all RFPs even at peak times, cost savings from reduced risks, and time savings from eliminated subject matter expert interruptions. Measuring all of these factors will get you far down the path of building a business case for proposal software. In short, as the value to your business, the cost to complete, costs of mistakes, and the need to scale increase, so does the business case for the investment. Click the Request Your ROI button on our website if you would like more help in creating the Expedience software business case. We have an ROI analysis Excel tool that helps you better quantify your current proposal quality and your ability to scale. This tool also helps set realistic future state expectations after deploying Expedience and shares case studies from real Expedience customers that have made this same transition. Let us help you quantify how much Expedience software will help your organization today.